Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up my April Stitch Fix box. So real quick, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she is going to help you to choose 5 items to put into your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, whatever you want. And when you fill out your profile, you can tell them the things that you want to have sent to you and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then that $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. If you keep all the items in your box, you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee, which usually makes for a really good deal. I don't pay the $20 styling fee for each box because a few years ago I was offered the Style Pass. So the Style Pass is where you pay $49 to have unlimited fixes sent to you throughout the year, and my Style Pass is currently still active. Stitch Fix does do a fix preview, and so a couple of weeks before your box is supposed to be shipped, you should get an email with about 10 items for you to look at and to decide if you want any of those included in your fix. And for this fix, I did choose 4 of the 5 items, and then my stylist went back in and chose one more item to put in this box. So we're gonna open up the box to see what I got for this month. So right on top is the prepaid mailer envelope. So you're gonna put anything that you don't wanna keep, or if you need to make any exchanges, you'll use this bag to send items back to Stitch Fix. One of the things I love about Stitch Fix is that shipping is free both ways. You're also gonna see a white envelope, and inside this envelope is your price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 67 for me. Also inside the envelope is going to be your Oh Hello style card. And so this is a note from your stylist, but it also gives you styling suggestions for the items that are in your box. So I'm going to read my note real quick. Your style delivered. I'm thrilled to see you're embracing the warmer weather with such enthusiasm. For a fresh springtime look, I've included the light green non-Britton top with Flutter sleeves that will add a touch of softness and color to your wardrobe. This top pairs beautifully with the indigo cut from the Kloth jeans you selected, featuring a frayed hem for a casual yet polished look perfect for work or weekend outings. The Blush Monday Fun blouse you've chosen is another great piece for the office, offering a subtle pop of color that's both professional and stylish. Pair it with your favorite tribal brand pants for a cohesive work ensemble. I hope these selections bring a little extra joy to your spring days. Tara. And so here's my bundle. I do have a piece of jewelry, so we're going to start with that first. These are by Nakamol, the Gramercy stone drop earrings in light blue. Since I've been doing Stitch Fix for quite a while, I do have quite a bit of clothes, so I'm looking to add more earrings and shoes to my wardrobe, and these are really cute. Here's what those look like. They say they're light blue, but they have like pink and taupe and other colors in them. I think they are a very pretty neutral earring that will pair well with a lot of different outfits. So those are really cute. So let's get into this bundle. All right, the first item in the bundle is the non-Britton Salma Flutter sleeve knit top in light green. And this is the top that my stylist added to my fix. And here's what that looks like. It's just a really cute little mint and white striped shirt. It does have like the cute little flutter sleeve. It's very soft, very stretchy. Since we're getting closer to summer, I'm starting to look for more casual pieces that I can wear with like jeans and shorts for the summer. And this is a really cute little top. The next item is by Monday Fun, the Alvena split neck blouse in blush. And here's what that looks like. It's a blush background with a small floral print that has like blue, and it has some like orange and yellow. I'm gonna get up close so you can see the print. It's a polyester blouse that does have pleating going down the front. I think this is a cute blouse that could pair nicely with jeans or with dress pants for work. The next item is by Paper Moon, the Reece mixed material blouse in navy. So here is this blouse. It has the polyester front with the floral print. It does have the mixed material with the solid blue back. It has a split neck. I'm gonna get up close so you can see the floral print. I do like the colors. It's like red, yellow, and white on that navy background, so that's really pretty. So since we're getting close to the end of the school year, this is another good top for me to start kind of looking for some more casual pieces. And then lastly, I have by Cut From The Cloth, the Amy Frayed Hem Crop Straight Leg Jean in Indigo. And so I was looking for a new dark wash crop jean, and so here's what this looks like. It does have a little distressing, but very minimal. I do like this dark wash. Has a little bit of whiskering on the front. Little distressing on the pocket there. And it does have like a little frayed hem at the bottom. That hem is stitched, so you don't have to worry about it coming undone. So yeah, those are really cute. All right, guys, I'm gonna do a try on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the jeans on and try the different tops on with it, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first two items. And so on top, I have the Paper Moon mixed material blouse. And then on the bottom, I have the Cut From The Cloth cropped jean. So let's start with the top. I do love the navy background with this bright floral print, the red, the yellow, the white. It does have a little split neck, a short little cap sleeve. The front of the blouse is polyester. And then the back is the solid rayon spandex mixture that they put on the mixed material blouses. I do think this is a cute little casual top that I can wear with jeans. And I really like the way it pairs with these cropped jeans from Cut From The Cloth. I love Cut From The Cloth jeans. They seem to fit me very well. They have enough stretch to be comfortable. I would say this is a mid-rise jean, and it does have minimal distressing like here, a little bit here on the side, which is good for me because I can still get away with wearing these to work. And there's a little bit on the back pocket, but not much. I do like the little roll cuff with the frayed hem, and they do come to about the mid shin on me. So what do you guys think about these two items together? I'm really excited about the end of the school year coming and finally getting to add some more casual items to my closet. So I really like both of these items. I'm gonna try on the next blouse and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the next two items. I have on the blouse, but I also have on the earrings. So let's take a look at the earrings. They are a cute little drop earring that is a pretty neutral earring that I think will pair well with a lot of different tops and things like that. They say they're blue, but it looks like it has like some pink and some taupe in there. I really don't see any bright blue or anything like that. I really do think it pairs nicely with this blouse right here. So those are really cute. Definitely gonna be keeping those. All right, so the top here is a polyester blouse. It does have the split neck. It has a little bit of a longer sleeve than the top that I had on previously. It does have the little blush background with a small floral print, and the floral print has like blue, it has some green, it has some white, some yellow, and it looks like brown or orange in there. Very pretty. And I do think this top pairs nicely with the Cut From The Cloth jeans because it does have that dark blue in it, so I think they pair nicely together. It does have some pleats going down the front. Now I do have a white cami underneath this, but I would probably wear like a tan because you can see a little bit through it, but that doesn't really bother me too much. It does scoop up a little bit on the side and come down a little bit longer in the back. I think this top would be great for dressing up or dressing down. I'm gonna try on the last top and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the last item, and I have on this top by Britton that my stylist put into my box. I do love how soft this top is. I love the little horizontal stripe and how the stripes go a little different direction here and on the sleeves. I do really like the Flutter sleeves on this top. It is super soft and stretchy. This top does have like a straight around hem, and it does have like a little slit on the side. I think, again, it pairs nicely with these jeans, but you could wear it with lighter colored jeans. It's a cute little casual top. I do think I could wear it to work with no problem. So what do you guys think about this top? I'm gonna get changed. I'll be right back to do a recap. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about prices, and I think this was another great fix for me. So let's talk about the items. First off is by Paper Moon, the Reece mixed material blouse in navy, and the cost of this top is $39. I really love the navy background with the floral print, and I think it paired nicely with those dark wash jeans. Next on the list is by Monday Fun, the Alvena split neck blouse in blush, and this one is also $39, and that was this top right here, the blush background with the very colorful floral print. I think the earrings paired nicely with this top. I also think that the jeans look good with this. Next was the top by Britton, the Salma Flutter sleeve knit top in light green, and the cost of this one is also $39. And this was the top that my stylist put in. This top is super soft and comfy. I love the little flutter sleeve detail. Just a really cute casual top that I know I will wear a lot. The next item on the list is by Cut from the Kloth, the Amy Frayed hem crop straight jean in indigo, and the cost of these are $89. That's pretty standard for Cut from the Kloth jeans. I love that it had like the very minimal distressing. I love the dark wash. That's what I was looking for. So some of my favorite jean brands are Cut from the Kloth, Liverpool, and Studio Blue from Stitch Fix. So you guys tell me if you have any other favorite jean brands that I need to be trying. And then last on the list is by Nakamol, the Gramercy stone drop earrings in light blue, and the cost of these are $38. And here's what those look like. I really like the drop style. I like the little colored stones that are kind of neutral. I do think these earrings are going to pair nicely with a lot of different outfits. And so my stylist pick subtotal was $244. If I buy all 5, I get to take off 25%, which would take off $61. That's going to give me an order subtotal of $183 for this entire fix, which I think is a great deal for all of these items. So you guys tell me what you think. Do you think this is a 5 for 5 box? I do think I'm going to be keeping all 5 items again. I have great luck with Stitch Fix. I love the quality. I love the service. I love the convenience. Stitch Fix has been great for my family because my husband, myself, and my youngest daughter, we all do Stitch Fix. So we love that convenience. I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. That referral link is good for first-time women or men customers. And so basically, if you click on that link, it'll give you $25, so it will waive your styling fee, and you won't have to pay anything up front. The items will get shipped to you for free, and then you could try them on, and then you can decide what you like and what you don't like, and then you can apply that $25 to whatever you want to keep. What I love about Stitch Fix is you only pay for the items that you keep, and then you use that bag to send back anything that you're not keeping. So if you have any questions, let me know. Until next time, bye guys.